the channel, Van Newbie. Today's video is going to be about installing a ceiling fan's light kit. The light kit is for the bottom portion of the ceiling fan to have a different type of light. So the original one that I had was by Harbor Breeze. I believe there's a product from Lowe's, and it only had one bulb. So in order to get 4 bulbs, which is what I wanted for more lighting, I bought a light kit. It's a universal light kit. The one that I bought at Home Depot, and the manufacturer is called Hampton Bay. This is the light kit that I bought. So the light kit is just this portion here, not the ceiling fan. And right in this area is where the light kit wouldn't fit on my original ceiling fan, which is made by Harbor Breeze. So for Hampton Bay, usually you put your light kit on an existing light cap. What a light cap is a cap that goes on the ceiling fan, on the portion of the ceiling fan where there is no light. There would be a light, but if there isn't, you just cap it off. And they usually come with a cap. 3 7/8 of an inch is how wide that light cap had to be. So I ended up finding it on eBay.
I'll show it to you right now. Right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. This one is a light cap from Hampton Bay ceiling fan replacement switch cap/cover oiled bronze. It's $15, and you will see it in the video. Hopefully you guys can see that. Oh, I can see it already. Okay.
You can't really see it, but anyway, I got this thing for $15, and what I had to do is buy that in order to punch out that little center hole and stick the light kit through that, so that I can then have a light kit with 4 bulbs rather than just 1. Now, I couldn't use the original one that I had because the bulb that it would take was only 6.5 watts, and that was nothing. This room was so dark. Now I'm going to show you here. I'm going to shut off the light for the camera, and you're going to see the light in the room. It's pretty bright.
So that's with the camera's light off. This light that you see right now is just from the ceiling fan's light kit that I installed. Let me see if I can move it so you guys can see. Alright. Now back to the light. Turn the light back on.
Okay. So yes, this project took me a while because I had to buy the light cap on eBay, wait for it to come in, figure out if I should even do this, because I wasn't sure if I was going to create an electrical fire or what, because the old ceiling fan, or the original ceiling fan, only allowed 6.5 watts, and I was like, well, if I'm putting 4 bulbs, that's clearly gonna, you know, overpower this thing, maybe cause a fire. But as I read through the manual for the original ceiling fan, it said you could put a 60-watt bulb. So I guess I'm able to put 4 bulbs with less than whatever 15 watts each, which these are 12.5 watts on each bulb. So that is whatever, you guys do the math. But I'm clearly under 60 watts. I also looked at a bunch of other stuff. I looked at the gauge of the wire. It was an 18 gauge wire, and when I looked up how much wattage can flow through that, I believe it's like 300 watts. So I'm good. Like, this better not start a fire, because if it does, we're in big trouble. Anyway, guys, now you're gonna see in the video how I did it. Watch. So here I've already removed the glass bowl with these 3 screws here. Now this is where I told you earlier it says 6.5 watt max. Don't know why, because the manual says 60 watt max. Now with these other 3 screws, you remove the light fitter from the fan motor. This little switch cap is what's going to be going there. Here's the new light fitter that's going to go in place of my old one. Now remove the center plug out of the light switch cap. Give it a little tap with a hammer, yank it out. Start to put the wires through. And now you can put the nut and washer on there. Install the new light fitter, black on blue and white on white. Tuck everything back in and make sure the slot is aligned with the ceiling fan switch. Otherwise it won't go in properly. Now you're going to want to install a bulb and turn the light on to see if everything is working properly. It works the way it's supposed to, so now we can turn the light back off and put all the bulbs and caps on. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching.